This Argos Support video will demonstrate how to remove, clean and refit your vacuum cleaner's filter to ensure your product runs efficiently. Not cleaning the filter frequently is often the cause of problems with your machine. Firstly, ensure the product is unplugged. Disconnect the hose, remove the bag. Remove the filters from the front and back of the vacuum. Tap the filters over a bin to remove any dirt or debris. Wash the filters under running water, remove any excess, and leave to dry for at least 24 hours. Ensure the filters are completely dry before refitting into the vacuum cleaner. The filters can be put back into position. Finally, reassemble. Following these simple steps on a monthly basis will help to prolong the life of your machine. For further assistance, please contact argos-support.co.uk.